What's up, guys? This is Chad and Dalton at Coyote Classics. I'm back with another Wednesday video. Finally got Chad back from Las Vegas.
And you're damn lucky I made it back, I'll tell you that. 3 days of just a blast.
We were holding down the fort, but now we're excited to check out some of these cars and see what's going on at Coyote Classics today. Murphy's back today too. We're gonna start in the old showroom, check out some of the new inventory we got lined up in there, ready for videos today.
Hey, Big D, you're walking pretty fast.
I'm on the move. All right, a lot of new stuff in here that you've seen last week when Shay and I did our walk around. Finally ready to go on the site today. You wanna talk us through some of these, Chad?
Yeah, I'm back today to take some pictures. We're gonna put 5 cars on the website today. We're gonna go ahead and start with this Plymouth Satellite. 440 automatic, really nice car. I like the red line tires, the dog dish hubcaps. This roof line on a 1965 is pretty unique. Yeah. They had it on the same roof line on the Cornet as on the Satellite. This has got bucket seats. Excited about driving this one. Obviously the 66 GTA. People need to come and drive this car. You really need to look at the floors and stuff because there's just none nicer.
Exactly. I noticed we have a lot of Fairlanes, a lot of Fords right now.
Yeah, that 1969 Ford Fairlane is really getting a lot of traction from, you pictured that what, Thursday or Friday?
Yep.
Got a lot of interest in that.
We'll check that out later when we get in the other showroom. That's a sweet car, 57 Chevys, tire burner, big black tub.
Just a really nice quality car. That's supposedly got a 1970 Chevelle 396 in it. This is going to go on the website today. 1971 Dodge Challenger RT clone. It's got the right stance. It's got the 440 under there. It's got the shaker hood. And just like I said, look at the wheel and tire combination with that stance. The flat black stripe along the side, white bucket seat console interior. We sold the 67 Buick and the customer decided to put some Kraggers on it. I really like the look.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So hoping he does too. 68 GTO, we talked about this, numbers matching 50-some thousand actual miles. The 56 T-Bird just got sold, so that's getting ready to ship out of here. All the work tickets done on that one. 67 Mustang sold as well. Challenger convertible, so we're gonna have a 1971 convertible, 1971 black and white, both white interiors. Gonna have those sitting side by side next week for you guys to look at. 68 and 69 Chevelle, both are great cars, both are quick, and we did drop the price on both of those, so make sure you check those out.
Nice. I dropped a treat for Murphy and you never even seen it. Murphy.
All right, come on Murph, let's check it out.
Shay, what are you up to today?
I'm working on a description for a yellow and white 1964 Ford Galaxy 500. Beautiful car, you'll probably see it when it's in the garage back there.
There you go. Check that one out.
Yeah, I'm excited about that one. Have a good day, Shay.
You too.
If we haven't been in the office for us, we'll sneak up on some of these guys. Hey everyone.
Hello.
What are you working on?
Well, I'm just checking out this Fairlane because somebody's interested in it. So I was just gonna look over the photos.
It's a nice car. Chad and I did a video on that this morning. Probably one of the nicest ones the guy's gonna find. Runs and drives awesome, cold air, beautiful paint and trim.
351, most of those were 289s, 302s. So that 351 had a lot of punch and it really went down the road nice, Aaron. So is that video up yet?
Brady, I think, just finished it. Yeah, Brady's in the lair over there working on videos.
All right, thanks Aaron, have a good one.
So you guys on YouTube haven't met Brady yet, but Brady's my brother, Chad's other son. We got him.
Juicy J's brother.
Yep, we got him down here helping me edit some YouTube videos and get them posted.
Yeah.
He just finished Fairlane.
Yeah, we finished the Fairlane right now. So.
Okay, Aaron just talked to a guy on it, we just talked to her, so wait for the video. Thanks, bud.
Yeah, we're gonna go see what Gina's up to.
Sneak up on her.
We call Gina the hawk. She kind of sees everything and she's kind of you can't get anything by her. Oh, she's gone too. Where Where's the hawk?
Oh, here's Dave.
Here's Dave.
There's Dave.
It's like a scavenger hunt. We're trying to find all the office employees and everyone's hiding. Is Gina behind the car somewhere there too? What's Dave know?
Oh, I'm just getting this car prepped up for a customer from Iowa, actually, that's wanting to, he's been looking for a 442 car, something to get off the ground and stuff like that. And has a 69 Camaro, and he loves the Camaro, but he needs something that's just a little bit more comfortable. So
Yeah, and we see that a lot, don't we? I mean,
Yeah.
people like the Mustangs and Camaros, but you get into a Oldsmobile or a Buick GS or a Chevelle GTO, it's just a little more comfortable. you know?
easier for back purposes, you
Yeah.
know, just to get in and out of and stuff like that. So, and I got to tell you, this car right here, this is exciting. I've only seen one like this in textbooks before working
Yeah,
here. So
really.
I got to tell you, perfect car to trade into.
Cool. You haven't seen the Hawk, have you?
The Hawk.
Gina? Where's Gina?
Oh, I should have known that. She was here a little bit ago. I think she went out the back door knowing you guys were coming.
Probably.
We're gonna, guys, stick around. We didn't expect Dave in this shop, but we're gonna come back over here in this showroom in just a little bit. So
We're on a scavenger hunt right now. We'll come back and we'll talk about all these Mustangs and the Charger. For now, we're gonna go to the back and then hope Gina pops up later. Just got word that the Hawk has landed. There she is. Been looking for you. Trying to see what everyone's doing today. Gina does all our purchasing and she kind of puts the reins on Chad and he tries to buy too many cars.
she does. So she started out Lisa's assistant in the office and I kind of stole her. But yeah.
Just working on title applications and bills and all the fun office.
If we have bought your car, you have dealt with Gina. So she takes care of all the purchasing. So thanks, Gina.
Yeah.
Thanks, Gina. Murphy, let's go to the shop.
Is he coming?
The Eagle has landed.
That's funny. She is though. I can't get nothing past her. I mean, if there's yeah, she's definitely in charge of me. She's my boss.
All right, Murph's gonna lead the way. Go find Michael.
Go find Michael.
All right, Mike, what's
Yeah.
going on in the shop today?
Well, Dane's working on this 70 Nova. He checked it in yesterday, a little bit this morning. He's been working on a lot of the wiring, getting the horn to work, getting some of the lights to work. Just checking the thing over. It's a pretty nice car.
Pretty cool car. I think I did pretty good on this one. Just a fun, fast, hot rod, 70 Nova, runs on E85, aluminum heads. It's kind of the cars that we like here, the cars we like to jump in and roast the tires. Really solid underneath too.
It was neat that this is a local car. We bought it from a guy that I see in the bar every now and then. So
There you go.
It was fun talking to him about it.
That's always important. He's quite the character.
Oh yeah, he's a good guy.
Yeah, he is. He's good. I've known him for a long time. But yeah, I didn't even know he was into classic cars. But aluminum heads, solid floors, you said?
Yeah, New Mexico
Just
cars.
a good looking driver. Inside looks nice. And guess what, guys? It's going to be under $30,000 for a 70 Nova, which is kind of tough. Four-wheel disc brakes as well.
Yep. I like them wheels. We'll have to order them again.
They're neat. They're from
Talk to
Jags.
us about Timmy. Timmy, Mike, what's going on with the Galaxy?
We did all kinds of work to this one too. We put all new brakes on it. You know, a lot more electrical. It seems to be something we do an awful lot of, but it's a nice driving car.
It's a pretty car. I like the color with the white top, air conditioning, white interior. This one will be coming to the site soon.
Yeah, we bought this from a lady, I think in Missouri. So yeah, it was just a really nice, well-kept car. You know, if you kind of look, I'm going to show you just a little bit in the interior, because that's kind of what impresses me. I mean, it's a good-looking car, but look at the corners of the doors, the seats, the interior. It's a really nice car.
Yeah, it is. Nice little, like I said, we got a lot of Fords right now, a lot of Galaxies and Fairlanes. And how about this little thing? We had this a couple of years ago, sold it to a guy in Wisconsin and just bought it back recently. This is a neat car.
You know, check out under the hood ones. That's what's cool.
Pop the hood on her, Mike. It's pretty neat setup. There's the interior. Beautiful console, 5-speed, runs and drives awesome.
5-speed with air, and look at the interior. It's just great.
It's one of those that's kind of overly restored,
Yep.
but
You wouldn't know it by looking at it, but sure enough, it's got a straight 6 in it.
straight 6 with a pretty neat carburetor setup. This thing's quicker than you'd imagine.
Yeah, it's a rowdy little car.
Yeah, we actually sold this car, Mike. You probably didn't know that because you weren't here then, but we ended up selling this car to somebody about 5 or 6 years ago, and they called me back and having a little health problems and wanted to sell it back. So we bought it back, and I'm excited about detailing it up. So that's probably what's going on with the carbs. He hadn't really drove it in the last couple of years.
And with today's economy, that little straight 6 with a 5-speed in there, shit, you can drive to Mexico on one tank of gas.
It probably ain't a bad idea, right? turn those two carburetors off in the front and the back and just run off that
Just
center
roll.
one, man.
I like it.
Look at the stripes. I mean, it's just a great color. And look, as we feel that, the stripes are really under that first layer of clear. You can barely feel them at all.
$100 car. Does it have air too?
Yeah, and it works. Yep.
Nice.
Yep, we'll get her all shined up. Beautiful color, I love it.
Yeah, it's a cool ass car.
Watch for this one, probably coming on probably towards the end of the week.
Yeah.
Going to go to Jason probably today, you know?
Yeah,
So probably Thursday, Friday.
I think so.
Same with this one. So if you're looking for either one of those, they should be up by Friday afternoon.
Cool. Thanks, Mike.
Yeah.
Just see what Jay's doing.
Yep. Juicy J.
Juicy J. Juicy J.
Wow, that does look good with those. Did you just put those wheels on there, Jay?
Yeah.
It looks good. We took them off, put rallies on, and then today we decided to put these ones back on. This car's neat. I love the paint scheme with the matte black stripes.
That was my choice.
I like it. Jay, who's this on the other side of the hoist?
This is a new little J. The other little J retired, so we had to hire a new little J. This is Charlie. This is a new little J right here.
New little Jay.
Yep.
like
He's
it.
my right-hand man back here in the Big J's department.
Well, just because one had to go to school, and then we got Charlie over here.
This one's retired from detail school. He just started. Fresh out of the oven, baby.
So what are you doing on this thing? You got the wheels on.
The wheels done, we gotta do the bumpers. Got the underneath power wash, then I gotta do the motor inside trunk and quick wax it and
This one got a big block in it, don't it?
yeah.
You do the
Some
same
shine on
steps
it all
every
the
time.
Same steps every time.
Nothing
Been about
changes,
6
Jay.
hours, same thing, everything.
Every time.
Every day. Yep.
Go home, get in the
Routine,
pool.
that's what I need, routine.
Go home,
clean
go
the
to Big
pool,
J's Tiki
clean
Bar.
another car.
Go to another one.
Yeah, that's all right.
Good job. Looks good, dude.
Mark, we just got done with the video on this one and had a little power steering leak. I just overheard Mark talking to Ty Napa. High pressure hose is leaking a little bit.
Wow. Look at the floors on this thing.
Holy smoke.
This car is just stupid nice.
Yes, it does. Where it goes up to the,
Very nice. So
where it goes up
Mark's
to the
doing-
top, it's got a
Listen to Mark's
like a
passion.
90 bend,
I mean, he's gonna fix it. I know he is.
so
Justin's getting satellite ready. He's going through doing a couple of the little mechanical things on the old thing. What's Mr. Bossum know?
I'm just trying to straighten the steering wheel out. It's a little bit crooked down the road, so getting that done.
Did you take it down the road?
Yeah.
What's it? Is it all right?
It drives nice. It's a little crooked. Needs a little bit of tune up too.
Yeah, can we get a little more power out of it? Hope so. Or who knows, maybe it's, a lot of times we find out that they don't have much power. How many times do they come in and you don't even get to the floor barrels? They don't even open up on a lot of these cars. They just don't have enough throw.
Yeah.
People just don't know what they're doing sometimes, you know? Or I guess what they're missing out on. They've been driving it this way for a long time.
As promised, we'll finish up in the new showroom.
All right.
This is my favorite showroom. I just love the backdrop with the American flag and just freaking cool.
Yeah, we're gonna do some other stuff. Hopefully, just after the first of the year, we got some other murals and stuff gonna get painted on the first showroom. So, and then next year we're gonna create another whole showroom back there. So, we keep outgrowing everything that we're doing. So,
I love the two TAs lined up next to each other. Both those are just great cars. Jump in and drive them. The blue one has more power than I expected. I took Shay for a ride when we did our video.
you? Yeah.
I come around the corner kind of by the stop sign by Casey and just hammered it. I did a 360. There was a couple DOT guys there, and they just loved it. What year is that? Didn't even get in trouble.
I need to watch that video. I mean, I drove it, but I didn't know you could do a
That was
360.
after we shut the camera off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, both of these are beautiful, just turnkey Trans Ams. As you heard Dave a little bit, we got a customer coming on Thursday to test drive the 69442. This is one of the cars that I'm really surprised on. I did drop the price on this last week. It's a gorgeous car. It runs and drives perfect. One of the ones that I'd let in one of the people here drive to a car show just because I know it's going to get there.
It's a nice car. So is this Camaro, beautiful paint, big block, and then our little Redbird sold last night. So people walked in and they were just looking for a nice car. The wife actually had a Firebird very similar back in the day, not a
kidding.
Redbird, and they just fell in love with the condition of it.
It's perfect. I mean, it's one of those cars that was under 30,000 bucks, and I guaranteed there was probably 50 in the restoration.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just
and cruise control works. It's just a pretty sweetheart of a car.
the little Dart that we bought and a couple Wednesday videos ago. We've had a lot of interest in that as well, and that drives down the road great.
Yeah, I love cars with a story like that
Did
one.
we do the video on this one already?
The Mach?
Or did you guys?
We
do
did the Dart.
Okay.
Today we have to do a video of this Mach. Probably one of the nicest 73 Machs you're gonna find.
That's why I bought it. We do have a person coming on it Thursday as well. Another guy.
Yeah, that's just like I said, quality-wise, the amount of money spent on the restoration and the detail of it's pretty second to none.
I know there's going to be a lot of people looking for this 1966 500 XL. So it's got the buckets console, beautiful Fairlane, nice wheels and tires, super solid underneath. This was rust-free underneath as well. I've got the pictures. Of the undercarriage. Now we got to get the pictures today of the exterior and put on the web.
390 under the hood, and this Mustang GT, same owner since 1967, restored in 2007.
This guy's dad owned a dealership that this guy traded it back in on, and what?
Nice.
67, 68,
The
something
guy
like
that's
that.
had it since 67, his dad sold it new at his dealership.
No. All right, close though. So the guy we bought it from, his father had a Ford dealership and took this in on trade in 1967-ish.
Gotcha.
Maybe 68. I think he said 67. So when he got it, it was exactly like this, right?
That's
nice. And then they drove it. He drove it in high school, stuff like that. And then it sat for 20 years, and then he restored it in 08.
Very nice.
And he's had it since. So, I mean, this was his high school car. His dad owned the dealership.
That's cool.
Pretty cool.
That car's, I drove it the other day and I was just blown away. I just love the way it drives and the quality of it's pretty damn nice. We're gonna deliver this to Kenny. We're doing that tomorrow?
Tomorrow or Thursday. And he's got a bunch of trade-ins and a really cool collection. So kind of stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some of that stuff for our Wednesday video for next week.
Yeah, we'll go check out Kenny's farm and all the cars he's got sitting around there. He's got quite a bit. Neat guy too. So
Local guy, we sold him a lot of cars, and obviously the nicest car we've ever sold him is one we're going to deliver tomorrow. You guys are missing one here. This is a rust-free floors. Look at the corner of the doors. If you're looking for a 69 or a 70 fastback, what more do you want? Brand new wheels, tires, beautiful original interior, rust-free car. It really is. Floors are mint, original.
70 fastback, 302 in it. That's nice. And then
we've had a lot of interest in this real GT car. This is one of the nicest coupes we have right now. I mean, this drives perfect. Absolutely perfect. 88 GT.
Did I tell you that I took, so my fiance went dress shopping a couple Saturdays ago. Right when she got back, she's all excited and she didn't really want to. I said, hey, we're going to go learn how to drive a manual today. And so I took her out in this thing and brought Grandpa Jim along, which you can imagine. Oh my God,
I bet he was just, was he in the back seat or the front?
He was in the front. I put him right up front with
And you were in the back or what?
Yeah. Oh God, you can imagine. I think the poor thing, I think she left the day with some tears in her eyes, but she did pretty good.
But with Grandpa Jim just trying to give all that instruction.
Give all her advice. But she did pretty good. But that car does drive awesome. It's a great one to learn on.
Oh, it's an easy one. 1970 Charger. We finally got the video of this one done, didn't we?
Not yet.
We've had a struggle. I need to get my butt back to work, right, D?
I know.
So we get some stuff done.
You get back from Vegas. Stop your partying and let's go to work, for God's sake.
It's Texas, and we've been flying all around. But so yeah, great car, and want to thank you guys for watching this week.
Let's wrap it up, and I'm gonna go out and try to find Murphy, get him back from the woods.
All right, let's do it.
Thanks for watching this week's Wednesday walk around. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what your favorite car is. And again, if you've seen anything in here that you're interested in, give us a call. We can help with shipping, financing. If you like it, we can make it yours.